Bow windows are known for their graceful curves and panoramic views, but today's designs offer much more than visual appeal. For Lafayette homeowners looking to enhance both style and performance, energy-efficient bow windows provide a beautiful upgrade that also supports year-round comfort. With Lafayette's warm, humid climate and occasional seasonal temperature changes, choosing windows that combine elegance with efficiency is essential. Here's how modern energy-efficient bow windows deliver both. What makes bow windows unique? Bow windows are made up of 4 or more window panels that extend outward in a gentle curve. Unlike bay windows, which typically have 3 panels and sharper angles, bow windows create a softer, rounded appearance. This design allows more natural light to enter your home from multiple angles. The expanded glass area brightens living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms while adding architectural character to your exterior. For Lafayette homes, bow windows provide a timeless look that enhances curb appeal and interior charm. Advanced glass technology for heat control. One common concern with larger window designs is energy performance. However, modern bow windows are built with advanced glass technology that helps regulate indoor temperatures. Double or triple pane glass creates insulating layers between the panes. These layers reduce heat transfer, keeping warm outdoor air from entering during Lafayette's hot summers and preventing cooled air from escaping. Low emissivity, low E, coatings further improve efficiency by reflecting infrared heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. This means you can enjoy a bright interior without excessive solar heat gain. Insulating gas fills for added protection. Many energy-efficient bow windows include argon or krypton gas between the panes. These gases are denser than air and act as additional insulation. This added barrier slows the movement of heat through the glass, supporting consistent indoor temperatures. In Lafayette, where air conditioning systems often run for much of the year, improved insulation can reduce strain on your HVAC system and help manage energy costs. Energy-efficient frame materials. The frame material plays an important role in overall performance. Modern bow windows are often constructed with vinyl or fiberglass frames designed to resist warping and moisture damage. Vinyl frames are low maintenance and provide excellent insulation. Fiberglass frames offer exceptional strength and stability during temperature changes. Both options outperform older aluminum frames, which tend to conduct heat more easily. Tight sealing and professional installation. Energy efficiency depends not only on materials but also on proper installation. Bow windows require careful measurement and expert installation to ensure airtight sealing around the frame. When professionally installed, energy-efficient bow windows minimize air leaks and drafts. This helps maintain a stable indoor environment despite Lafayette's humidity and heat. Expanding space and comfort. Beyond energy savings, bow windows enhance daily living. Their outward projection creates additional interior space that can be used for seating, decorative displays, or even a cozy reading nook. The increased natural light improves mood and makes rooms feel larger and more inviting. Combined with energy-efficient features, this creates a comfortable environment in every season. Long-term value. For Lafayette homes, energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to potential buyers and contribute to long-term property value. Bow windows combine visual appeal with practical performance, making them a smart investment. Homeowners benefit from lower energy bills, enhanced comfort, and improved curb appeal, all in one upgrade. A beautiful and practical choice. Energy-efficient bow windows offer Lafayette homeowners the best of both worlds: stunning design and reliable performance. By combining advanced glass technology, insulated frames, and expert installation, they deliver comfort, efficiency, and lasting beauty. If you're looking to brighten your home while improving energy performance, bow windows provide a stylish solution that enhances your Lafayette home inside and out.